Hello, this is Jeana at Art of Skincare, and I'm here today to tell you about my favorite tool in the holiday gift shop this year. This tool is fabulous because it works for every skin type, from oily to dark spots to healthy aging, dry skin. This tool can handle it all. So the tool is called My Skin Buddy. We shorten that down to MSB. So the My Skin Buddy on Art of Skincare is an exclusive collection because we include some extra products with our My Skin Buddy that are really fun to use with it. So today I want to show you how to use the My Skin Buddy, and I want to show you what the special items are that we include with it and how to use them. So this is the My Skin Buddy. The way that you turn it on is you push once. That's cleansing mode. If you want to turn it off, you push it down till you hear 2 beeps, and then it turns off. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get your cleanser on your skin. I like to apply my cleansers directly onto dry skin. Then I get my hands wet and I bring water up and I emulsify it and loosen it up. You want to have quite a bit of moisture water with your cleanser when you're using your My Skin Buddy, because the vibration and the gentle warmth from it will make your cleanser dry out faster. So I tend to like milky cleansers. So I like Rhonda Allison's Foaming Peptide, or I like Nelly DeVos Cleansing Milk. And that's what I use it with. It works with gel cleanser. It works with a clay cleanser. It even works with a mask like the Farmhouse Fresh Mighty Tidy mask. You can put that on, add a little bit of water to the mask, and use it in the cleansing mode with that mask. It's fantastic. So you put your cleanser on, you use your My Skin Buddy on the first click all over your face. Then when you're done, you want to use one of our white Lush cloths to remove the cleanser from your face so that you get every bit of the cleanser off. Our white Lush cloths are not for sale, but they are in our reward center. So you can use your reward points to redeem them for the white Lush cloths. Probably my favorite rewards gift in there are our Lush cloths. So after your skin has been cleansed and cleanser removed, the next thing you want to do is tone your skin. So I like to grab one of my favorite toners. If you're suffering with a little bit of breakouts, a little oiliness, or your pores are a little droopy, I like to grab the Rhonda Allison Mandelic Defense Lotion. If you have, if you have dark pigmentation spots that you're really worried about, then grab Rhonda Allison's Brightening Pigment Lotion. Today, I'm going to grab a little bit of her Mandelic Defense toner. I'm going to put it on the 2-inch toner pad. I put about 6 pumps on there. Then I grab this handy dandy little unit that comes with the My Skin Buddy, place them together, and I put it on like so. The perfect thing for toning your skin. When you're toning, you just use the first push, and there you go. Now you're ready to massage your toner in, paying special attention to those little problem areas where you need a little extra exfoliation. The reason why I use the 2-inch toner pads that we sell is because cotton pads tend to absorb too much of your toner. So these are our toners. They're not cheap. You don't want to waste your money by filling up a cotton pad with a bunch of toner. So go ahead, using these 2-inch toner pads, you get much less product use, more of the product onto your skin. They also have a light bit of texture, so it gives you a little bit of extra exfoliation. So that is your toning mode. The next thing that you want to do is use it to infuse your serums. So let's see if I have a serum. Oh, I do have a serum down here. Here we go. I have Rhonda Allison Sea Gems. Any of our water-based serums will work great. Your vitamin C serums, lifting serums, Sea Gems, ageless serum, any of those serums, recovery serum. Put a little bit of that in your hands, put it onto your face, and then you need moisture. And the reason why we include the Mieux Isocell Recovery Solution in this kit is because of the minerals in this solution. The minerals in the solution are going to help drive your serums into your skin. So whether you use a My Skin Buddy or not, topping your serums with this spritz, you're going to get more bang for your buck. You're going to get more out of your serums. So I would go ahead, spritz your skin really well with the Isocell Recovery Solution, and then you get to choose which setting you want to use. So I'm going to show you the first push was, of course, our cleansing mode. The second push is blue. Blue is antibacterial and it balances oil. So if you have oily skin or you're prone to blemishes, go ahead and use the blue setting and infuse your serum into your skin with that. The next setting is green. Green is for dark pigmentation spots. So that's the color that you would use if you're concerned about hyperpigmentation or uneven pigmentation on your skin, neck, and chest. The next push is red. Even if you have acne and you use the blue setting first, or dark pigmentation, use the green setting, go ahead and follow up with the red setting for a few minutes, because red is the ultimate healing. It's going to heal everybody. It's anti-aging. It's just that great universal color that's really good for everybody's skin. The next push, if you just want to go after everything, it's going to rotate through the colors. So you're going to get blue, you're going to get red, you're going to get all the different colors, and you can use it that way with your skin. Once you're done, oh, there's one more setting I almost forgot about. If you push again, you get no LED. So this is I'll show you actually when we use this setting with no LED. Anytime that you're trying to infuse something heavier, maybe if you've done your moisturizer, you could spritz your moisturizer with a little isocell and then use this to put it in. The reason why you don't need the LED on with your moisturizer is because the LED won't get through the moisturizer. So then you can hold it down and turn it off. So now we've included in your kit, additionally, this mask from Mieux. It's one of my favorite masks. It's a Mieux BioCell mask. It's a pure collagen mask. So I can see I have a little trepidation with it. I love and hate these masks. I hate the fact that they feel very cold and very slimy when you put them on, but I absolutely love the results. So the nice thing about using it with an MSB is that you don't have to leave it on your skin as long to get the great benefits. So what you would do is you put your serums on, take out the sheet mask, lay it on your face, and then you take the My Skin Buddy and you just use it. You can use it without the LED, just use it and rub all over, infuse that mask into your skin, and then turn off your MSB, take the mask off, fold it up and put it back in a little foil pack because you can use it again one more time, and then turn your MSB on again. This is where I tend to use the rainbow colors. Take the leftover stuff from your mask that's all nice and wet and moist, rub it down onto your neck and your chest, turn on your MSB again, whichever setting you prefer. I'm going to go for the rainbow. And then massage in all of that leftover serum from your mask. Get it on your neck, your chest, everywhere. And I just keep massaging until it's too tacky and I cannot move my MSB over my skin nicely anymore. When you finish with that, I guarantee you, your skin is going to be so plump and glowing and juicy. It's just amazing. You don't want to rinse that off. Leave it on for the whole day. Put a little moisturizer on top, put on your sunscreen, and then you're good to go.